Vigilance regarding cleanliness. During the regime of Shivaji Maharaj, measures were taken to maintain better cleanliness in homes and in public places. He issued orders telling people to make a fence of the nirgodi bush around the house to prevent the entry of animals like mice, scorpions, insects, and ants. Fumigation was also suggested to destroy the germs that are harmful to health. People were warned not to leave garbage lying on the roads and markets on the foot. If garbage piled up in various places, in spite of all this, it was not to be thrown down the foot. It was to be burnt on the spot, and the ashes were to be used as manure for vegetables grown in backyards. Now, during the time of Shivaji Maharaj, he took proper care that the fort and the surrounding and all the environment should be clean and neat, all the public places. So he issued orders telling people to make fence around their houses so that entry of animals like mice, scorpions, insects, ants, they would not be allowed to enter from the gate. And he also warned the people that no garbage should be lying around. If any garbage is piled up, then they should be burnt to ashes, so that they could use for the as a manure for the vegetables grown in their backyards, and they should not throw any garbage down the fort. Now, Shivaji Maharaj's management of forts, guns, and firearms is navy, protection of the environment, water management, sea trade, markets, cleanliness, and hygiene is a guiding for us even today. Now see, in this picture you can see Shivaji Maharaj honors Malama Desai of Belewadi, which he given a title of Savitri. Now, Hindvi Swaraj. Hindvi Swaraj was a dream of Shivaji Maharaj. Anyone who lived in Hindustan, no matter to what religion or community they belong, was a Hindvi. Their Raj was Hindvi Swaraj. Religion's tolerance. The religious policy of Shivaji Maharaj was liberal. In his liberal means there was no rules and regulations for the religious matters. In his campaigns, he never caused any harm to mosque. If he came across a copy of the Quran Sharif, he would respectively pass it on to the Muslims. He never hated Muslims simply because they were Muslims. If a person who had changed his religion wishes to return to his original religion, Shivaji always helped him. So Shivaji Maharaj, he always respected each and every religion. If any time during the wars he came across a copy of the Quran, he would respectfully hand it to the Muslims, and he never hated the Muslims because they were Muslims. If a person wishes to go in other religion, Shivaji Maharaj used to help him. Now, his brother-in-law Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar was in the service of Adil Shah of Bijapur. So Adil Shah made him accept the Muslim faith. Bajaji made Bijapur his home. He lacked for nothing, but he was unhappy that he had changed his religion. One day he made up his mind to come back to his own religion. Shivaji Maharaj welcomed him back in the religion. The story of Netaji Palkar is similar. His religion had been changed, but he wished to return to his original faith. Shivaji Maharaj accepted him back into his religion. So, whenever any person they converted into Muslim religion or any other religion, and if they wish to come back to their own religion, Shivaji Maharaj did not restricted them. He used to help them to come back to their own religion. So he was very helpful in that. Remember him. Shivaji was a torchbearer in the dark night of slavery, a fighter who got the better of all difficult situations, who slowly but surely increased his strength while giving fight to powerful enemies, who encouraged his comrades means soldiers, and fooled his opponents, and in the end achieved his goal. He was a model son, a cautious leader, a skilled organizer, a benevolent administrator means a kind administrator, a clever military strategist, a great warrior, a terror to the wicked, a defender of the good, and an epoch maker. When one sees all these brilliant facets of his personality, one cannot but say to oneself, bring to memory his wonderful image and remember his great achievements. So Shivaji Maharaj, he was a powerful warrior. He was a brilliant warrior, and he used to take good care of his own people. He used to respect the women and children. He was a great opponent. He fooled the uh, opponents, the enemies, and also he encouraged his soldiers so that they could fight for the Swaraj. And he was a good defender. Many things. He was a good personality, a great personality, which each and everyone looks upon and which each and everyone respects. Now in this picture you see, bring to memory the wonderful image of Shivaji Maharaj. Here you can see the image of Shivaji Maharaj. Each and every people till now have a great respect for Shivaji Maharaj. I hope students you have understood this chapter.